Most people think setting up direct deposit in the Dave app is complicated. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, it is actually a simple process, but only if you follow the exact steps in the right order. In this video, you'll learn how to set up Dave Direct Deposit correctly so your paycheck lands smoothly and on time. Let's start with what direct deposit actually does in Dave. Direct deposit lets your employer send your paycheck straight into your Dave account instead of a traditional bank. This also helps you unlock features like faster access to funds and better eligibility for cash advances. For example, Alex switched his paycheck to Dave because he wanted faster access to his money without waiting for traditional bank delays. Now here's where most people make mistakes. They assume they can set it up inside the app alone. That is not always enough. In most cases, you also need your employer's payroll system updated with your Dave account details. So let's go step by step. First, open the Dave app and go to the banking or direct deposit section. This is where your account details will be displayed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside this section you will find your routing number and account number. These are the key details your employer needs to send your paycheck. Second, copy these details carefully. One small mistake can delay your entire paycheck. Jake made this mistake once. He entered one wrong digit, and his salary got delayed by several days. So accuracy is very important here. Now let's move to the next step. You need to give this information to your employer or enter it into your payroll system. Most companies use platforms like ADP, Workday, or Paychex. In a minute, I'll show you what to do if your direct deposit doesn't show up. After updating your details, it usually takes 1 or 2 pay cycles for everything to fully switch over. During this time, your paycheck might still go to your old account. But here's the problem. This is where most users panic. They expect instant changes. But payroll systems take time to update, so delays are normal during the first cycle. Now let's talk about checking if it worked. Once your employer processes payroll, check your Dave account on payday. If the deposit arrives correctly, your setup is complete. If it does not arrive, double-check your routing and account numbers and confirm with your employer's payroll department. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your direct deposit is active, Dave may give you better access to features like early cash advances and faster transaction processing based on your income history. The key takeaway is simple. Setting up Dave Direct Deposit in 2026 is not hard, but it requires correct account details and proper payroll updates from your employer. If you follow the steps carefully, your paycheck will land directly in your Dave account without issues. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.